Welcome to Marilyn and Harold Blogs. Let's run that intro.
Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo.
Alright guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Welcome to the journey. Welcome to the channel. And welcome as we grow. Today it's a very special day. Today is the 10th of December. Not only we are close to Christmas, but today it's our monthsary of me and my fiance, my future wife. So I just want to take this time to show appreciation, my love, and pretty much just say how much I am appreciated and how much I want to thank you for loving me, caring for me, and always being there for me when I never had love. So today's a very special day. We've been together 3 years, engaged for, well, 3 years and 1 month now, and engaged for 2 years. So my life has changed. My life will never be the same because, you know, now it's different. It's full of love, full of happiness, and I'm excited for the things to come. I just posted a video of the new update on the Sorry store. There's much more things to come, new goals, ideas, and everything. Follow us on our journey. Look on the playlist. There's different types of videos. But I just want to say, that's all I want to say. This is pretty much just for that. A video, a reminder about our monthsary, a celebration of love. Love is not tourism. Remember that. And, you know, hoping things will go back soon to normal throughout this hard times with COVID and all that. You know, things have changed. Things have been different this whole year, but you know, that's all I could say for now. But I just want to do this video to say happy monthsary, Mahalkita. I love you so much, baby. I'm so proud of you. You're doing great. You work hard every day, and I couldn't ask more. Let me turn this down. I couldn't ask more. Couldn't ask more from God, and for allowing me to have you in my life, and having such a caring person, such a beautiful soul. Mother, have Mahal Kita forever and always, and I can't wait to be your husband and start our journey, baby. Love you.